as much as I love whole shotting and taking it away like that, I want to put on a show for the fans tonight. Maybe stuff Cole. I don't know. Maybe stuff someone. Maybe I'll get stuffed. Maybe we'll take each other out. Let's get it.
Track's good so far. It's gonna dry out, I think, like Denver a little bit, but they always do a pretty good job with, keeping some moisture in it for the day program, and yeah, it's usually a different racetrack at night. So
yeah, last Supercross of the year, man, kind of crazy, but yeah, good vibe. Like Salt Lake, enjoy racing here, and last race with the number uno, so just try to have a good day and tear it up.
I packed some gloves, and we have 2 of the same gloves. So, yep, we just finished first qualifying. Felt very lift gloved, but made a little bike change. Hopefully it'll be better for this next one, and have a good day.
Hopefully make it 9 in a row. Come on. It's been good. It's been solid. Final rounds, we're gonna turn up. Make it a good one for sure.
Yeah, it's just cool to watch him, be with him, from the amateurs to right now, setting records in the 250 class. And I want to look forward to the 450 class, like look ahead to it. But right now, we have one more race to go win. So let's get that done first.
yeah, a lot was going on, a lot of drama, so it was definitely a weird last 2 minutes. It got a little bit crazy there. Everyone bunched up, but was able to make some passes, get the second, and yeah, pumped to end it this way. It would have been nice to start up a little bit further, but we're riding really good, so.
Congratulations on the 2026 Manufacturers Cup.